So welcome to New Homes Inspections. Here's a brief overview of what we cover in our snagging survey. So this is a new build site in Nottingham, provided by Build Zone, the warranty provider. As you can see, there's quite a few issues with this new build house. This is why it's so important that you book a snagging survey in, preferably us, to take a look at your house and notify all the issues. We've had poor loft insulation, no ceilings to flooring, stairs out of tolerance, brickwork out of tolerance. We also offer a room measuring service to guarantee that you get your square footage, what you're paying for. We've had boilers not labelled up, no CO2 detectors fitted. We've got multiple marks on worked up surfaces, doors out of a line, front door out of a line, and the front door missing the door chain. So now is the perfect time to get your snagging survey completed. You, the customer, you've got more rights than you've ever had before, especially with a new home ombudsman and a new homes quality code. So book us in, easy to do. Visit the website www.newhomesinspectionsuk.com.